you will learn what is reference electrode, what are the types of the reference electrode, the example of reference electrode, that is calomel electrode, their construction, working, cell representation, and disadvantages of the calomel electrode. You will learn after watching this video. So let's begin with our topic, types of reference electrode. Before starting the types of the reference electrode, the question is, what is exactly mean by the reference electrode? What exactly mean by the reference electrode? The reference electrode is an electrode whose potential is known as the reference electrode. And alternatively, it can also defined as the electrode which has a stable and it can produces a reproducible potential and complete the cell acting as a half cell is known as the reference electrode. There are different types of the reference electrode. The first one is calomel electrode, which is the secondary reference electrode. Second one is silver chloride electrode. Third is standard hydrogen electrode. This standard hydrogen electrode, which is the primary reference electrode, and quinhydron electrode. These are the various types of the reference electrode. Now we will study the calomel electrode. The calomel electrode is most widely used reference electrode, secondary reference electrode, because due to its easy preparation and consistency in the potential, the calomel electrode, it can be used as a most widely secondary reference electrode. The construction part of the calomel electrode is very simple. See, the diagram represent the calomel electrode. Calomel electrode consists of a narrow glass tube. See the narrow glass tube. At the bottom, mercury is placed. See at the bottom of this glass tube, mercury is the placed, and above it is mercury and mercurous chloride paste, and remaining portion of the calomel electrode is filled up with saturated potassium chloride solution. And at the center of the at the center of calomel electrode, a platinum wire is inserted. The role of platinum wire is to make the electrical connection, right? See, calomel electrode, calomel electrode, which is most widely used as a secondary reference electrode due to its easy preparation and consistency in the potential. The construction part is very simple. It consists of a narrow glass tube. See, the figure indicate the calomel electrode, which is a narrow glass tube, at the bottom of which mercury is the placed. Above it is mercury plus mercurous chloride paste, and remaining portion of calomel electrode is filled up with saturated KCl solution. And at the center of the electrode, platinum wire is inserted in order to make what? Electrical connection. Then the calomel electrode. Calomel electrode, it can be represented like this: Hg, Hg2Cl2, and Cl minus. So this is the cell representation of the calomel electrode. Hg, mercury, mercurous chloride, which is sensitive for the Cl minus, right? Hg, Hg2Cl2, Cl minus. This is the cell representation of what? Calomel electrode, right? If if the calomel electrode is act as a cathode, then reaction is like this: Hg2Cl2 plus gain of 2 electron, reversibly it form twice Hg plus twice Cl minus ion. And if it is act as anode, right? If it is act as anode, then reverse reaction. The reverse reaction is like this: twice Hg plus twice Cl minus, reversibly it form Hg2Cl2 plus 2 electron, right? So this is the cell reaction of what? Your calomel electrode. If the calomel electrode act as a cathode, right? And if it is act as an anode, then the reverse reaction is takes place, right? Then potential of the calomel electrode, the reduction potential of the calomel electrode, which is given by electrode potential of calomel electrode equal to standard electrode potential of calomel electrode minus 0.0591, then log to the base 10 of what? Cl minus ion concentration. This is the reduction electrode potential, which is given by using this formula, right? Then the reduction potential of the calomel electrode on hydrogen scale at 298 Kelvin, right? Suppose if the saturated KCl, if the solution is saturated, then its reduction potential is 0.2422 volt. If the potassium chloride solution is 1 normal, then its reduction potential is 0.281 volt. And if the potassium chloride solution is zero point 0.1 normal, then its reduction potential is 0.3334 volt. So these are the reduction potential of the calomel electrode on hydrogen scale at 298 Kelvin. Now, there are three different types of the calomel electrode. Which one? The first type is whatever saturated calomel electrode. Okay, so this saturated calomel electrode, which is denoted by SCE. Second is normal calomel electrode, NCE. And third is Deci normal calomel electrode, DCE. Right? So what is exactly mean by the saturated calomel electrode? If the potassium chloride solution is saturated, then the electrode is known as saturated calomel electrode, right? If the potassium chloride solution is saturated, then the electrode is known as saturated calomel electrode. Then second time, if the potassium chloride solution is 1 normal, right? If potassium chloride solution is the 1 normal, then the electrode is known as normal calomel electrode, right? Third is if the potassium chloride solution is zero point 0.1 normal, okay, then the electrode is known as Deci normal calomel electrode. So these are the three different types of the electrode and their reduction potential. Then, what are the different demerits or disadvantages of the calomel electrode? The first disadvantage of calomel electrode is it should not be used above 80 degrees Celsius temperature. Why calomel electrode cannot be used above 80 degrees Celsius? Because uh, in calomel electrode, mercurous chloride is used. So this mercurous chloride, it can start the decomposition above 80 degrees Celsius temperature. That's why calomel electrode cannot be used about 80 degrees Celsius temperature. And the second disadvantage is it involve handling of whatever poisonous mercury and mercurous chloride. So these are the disadvantages of the calomel electrode. First one is it should not be used above 80 degrees Celsius temperature because mercurous chloride start the decomposition. And second one, it involved the handling of poisonous mercury and mercurous chloride. So I hope that you understood the concept of reference electrode, their types, then calomel electrode, their construction, cell representation, types, reduction potential, reaction if it is act as cathode and anode, and disadvantages of the calomel electrode. So thanks for the watching the video and happy learning.